Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well at your home. So I am here with the second content of chapter 6, Wonderful Kalam of your English course book. So let me start with today's day and date. Today is Tuesday and 23rd of June 2020. So today's third further day is you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. So it is a quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So the quote says that you yourself cannot change your future, but if you change your habits, these new habits will surely change your future. So let us proceed to our class. So we are doing chapter 6, Wonderful Kalam. So let us recapitulate what we did in the last class. We knew that Dr. APJ Kalam was a scientist and he was India's 11th president, right? And he was a pioneer, that is the founder of India's missile and nuclear weapons program. He was very successful in India's missile and his nuclear weapon program. So that is why his contribution made him remembered as the missile man of India. Yes, we did yesterday that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as missile man of India. So what was his full name? Yes, his full name was Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, and he was born on 15th of October 1931. Yes, he was born on 15th of October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. So he began to work from very early age, and he used to sell newspaper to support his father financially. We did it yesterday. His father was a board owner and the imam of a local mosque. He studied physics at St. Joseph's College, and he had a degree of aeronautical engineering also from Madras Institute of Technology. So these are the things we did in the last class. So let us proceed to our chapter. So after graduating, we know that Abdul Kalam graduated in 1954, and he also earned a degree in aeronautical engineering in 1916. So after graduating, Dr. Kalam joined the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, short form of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, as a scientist. After graduating, Dr. Kalam joined the DRDO as a scientist. So he started his career by designing a small helicopter for the Indian Army, that is ARMY, Indian Army. Okay, student. So once he joined the DRDO, now he started building up his career, and he started designing a small helicopter for the Indian Army. At DRDO, he was under the tutelage of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the renowned space scientist. So, you can see the word tutelage. Tutelage means under the care. So, he was under the care of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the renowned space scientist. Okay. So he was a pivotal in shaping Dr. Kalam's career as a scientist. Means he was a central. That means he worked very hard and he was the main person in shaping Dr. Kalam's career as a scientist. That means Dr. Kalam first worked under Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, he worked under Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He was the renowned space scientist. In 1969, Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, that is Indian Space and Research Development. Okay, so there he was the project director of India's first indigenous satellite. In 1969, Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, that is Indian Space and Research Development, and there he worked as the project director. Okay, and he first invented indigenous satellite. Here the word indigenous means belonging naturally to the country. That means our first country satellite was projected under Dr. Kalam and his co-worker. Right? So hope till here it is clear. So Dr. Kalam's team also successfully deployed the Rohini satellite near Earth's orbit in July 1980. So it was the great achievement of Dr. Kalam. So he and his team successfully sent the Rohini satellite near Earth's orbit. You know that Earth revolves in its own orbit around the sun. So they were successful to send the Rohini satellite near Earth's orbit in July, which year? 1980. Understood till here? So, however, he will be remembered for his work in developing missiles, right? He developed so many missiles and satellites. He will be remembered in developing different missiles. Now, Dr. Kalam conceived the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Okay, he founded the integrated means in which different parts are closely connected and working together. That means different people and from the different regions and the different communications work together, and they are closely connected, and they will work together in order to do some tasks. In order to do different types of tasks, they will be working together. That is integrated. Okay. So Dr. Kalam conceived the IGMDP, that is Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, for 5 indigenous missiles. I have told you the meaning of indigenous. Indigenous means one who belongs naturally to our country. So Dr. Kalam now conceived the 5 indigenous missiles that are Nag, Prithvi, Akash, Trishul and Agni. The 5 indigenous missiles that was developed by Dr. Kalam and his co-worker or team are Nag, Prithvi, Akash, Trishul and Agni. Okay. He also played a role in Pokhran nuclear test of 1998. He had a major role in Pokhran nuclear test. Nuclear test was done in 1988 and he was a part of it. Hope till here it is clear to you people. In the next slide I have given you the picture of 5 different indigenous missiles. You can see the picture of 5 different indigenous missiles. Yes, this one Nag, Trishul, Akash, Agni and Prithvi. These are the 5 indigenous missiles which was developed by Dr. Kalam and his co-workers. Now, few things are left with the chapter that we will be covering in tomorrow's class. So your assignment for today is you will read chapter 6 page number 52, that is not other than this same chapter, the wonderful Kalam. You will read page number 52 and you will find hard spellings and you will learn them. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning and growing. Thank you children.